Oh man, the Derrick Rose story is just interesting. So he was an MVP. He got injured, and then he came back and got traded to the Knicks. And then the Knicks, they didn't want to sign him. So guess what? The Cavs said, you know what? We'll take him off your hands. The Cavs traded him to the Jazz, and the Jazz said, we don't want him. So they waived him. And then now he signed with the Timberwolves. I mean, that's a hell of a roller coaster for Derrick Rose's career. But now D Rose has been reunited with Jimmy Butler and his former Bulls coach. I mean, from now on, we gotta call the Timberwolves the Timber Bulls. All I can say is I'm glad for Derrick Rose. I mean, he went from getting 10-day contracts after the Cavs traded him to now signing with the Timberwolves for the rest of the year. So now Derrick Rose, trust me, he's gonna ball out. If he doesn't, his NBA career is over. So with the Timberwolves, it's a whole new start. Bad thing is he really has to ball out because right now he's only signed for this season. And he has to make sure the Timberwolves want to re-sign him. Overall, I'm happy for Derrick Rose. I thought his NBA career was over. I mean, he was getting 10-day contracts. Nobody wanted him. But now he's been reunited with Jimmy Butler, his former Bulls coach. And I wish him all the best. But you guys let me know what you think. And I'm out.